Powerful trading strategies with the Awesome Oscillator. The Awesome Oscillator, created by Bill Williams, is a highly renowned indicator. Unlike the slow stochastic that ranges between plus 100 to minus 100, the Awesome Oscillator has no limits. It calculates by using two simple moving averages and measures the current market driving forces. It achieves this by comparing the recent market momentum with the overall momentum across a broader time frame. Now, let's delve into three of the most popular strategies for day trading with the Awesome Oscillator. Strategy number 1. Saucer Strategy. The saucer trading strategy involves identifying a particular pattern of 3 consecutive bars on the histogram to determine a bullish or bearish signal. This strategy aims to spot rapid shifts in momentum within the Awesome Oscillator histogram, all aligned on one side of the zero line. As a result, the saucer setup in the Awesome Oscillator can be identified as follows. Long setup. To initiate a long setup, first, ensure that the Awesome Oscillator is above zero. Second, look for 2 consecutive red histograms. Third, the second red histogram should be shorter than the first. Fourth, the third histogram should be blue. Fifth, enter a buy position on the open of the fourth candlestick. Short setup. To execute a short setup, first, confirm that the Awesome Oscillator is below zero. Second, identify 2 consecutive blue histograms. Third, the second blue histogram should be shorter than the first. Fourth, the third histogram should be red. Fifth, enter a short position on the open of the fourth candlestick. Without delving into excessive detail, these setups resemble a basic 3-candlestick reversal pattern that aligns with the primary trend's direction. Here are some additional examples of the saucer strategy. Strategy number 2. Bill Williams' Twin Peak Strategy. The Twin Peak Strategy is a straightforward approach that seeks a double bottom pattern in the Awesome Oscillator indicator. Twin Peaks involves analyzing the disparities between 2 peaks on the same side of the zero line. For a bearish Twin Peaks setup, 2 peaks should appear above the zero line. The second peak must be lower than the first peak and followed by a red bar. Throughout the setup, the trough between the peaks should consistently remain above the zero line. Conversely, for a bullish Twin Peaks setup, 2 peaks should emerge below the zero line. The second peak should be higher than the first peak and followed by a blue bar. Importantly, the trough between the peaks must consistently remain below the zero line. Twin Peaks represents a contrarian strategy as it involves taking short positions when the indicator is above zero and buying when it is below zero. Here are additional examples of the Twin Peaks strategy. Strategy number 3. Awesome Oscillator Trendline Cross. This strategy aims to keep us away from volatile markets and enables us to capture profits before waiting for confirmation from a break of the zero line. The Awesome Oscillator Trendline Cross setup can be identified as follows. Long setup. First, look for 2 swing highs on the Awesome Oscillator above the zero line. Second, connect these 2 swing highs with a downward trend line passing through the zero line. Third, buy when the trend line is broken. As demonstrated in this example, opening a position when the trend line is broken prior to the cross above the zero line allows you to capture more gains. It's important to note that the downward sloping trend line requires 2 swing points on the Awesome Oscillator, and the second swing point must be sufficiently low to create the downward trend line. Bearish setup. First, identify two swing lows on the awesome oscillator below the zero line. Second, connect these two swing lows with an upward trend line passing through the zero line. Third, sell short when the trend line is broken. Here are additional examples of the awesome oscillator trendline cross strategy. The awesome oscillator holds significant importance for traders as it provides valuable and in-depth market insights. It effectively identifies the prevailing market momentum, making it a unique and valuable tool. Regardless of the strategy you employ, it is crucial to set up your stop-loss orders and safeguard your profits. We highly recommend combining this indicator with price action patterns or other indicators to generate more precise trading signals. You can easily implement this strategy on any trading platform you use. Alternatively, if you wish to use the exact settings demonstrated in this video, you can download them from the description. I've included a template in this video, which you can effortlessly upload to your chart. It will automatically display all the indicators accurately on your charts, relieving you of any worries. Get the download link in the description. As always, if you found this information helpful or if you'd like to see more frequent videos, please show your support by hitting the like button, subscribing, and turning on the notification bell. This way, you'll be notified as soon as new content is released. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next video.